What's up, everybody? This is a little bit different than I usually post, but I am driving into Bent Creek. It snowed here in Asheville. We only got a dusting, but we got a bunch of ice. The temperature's super cold today. It's late January, and it's about a high of 17 degrees or something. But I have a special surprise that I want to show you guys. And I needed to post a video for 2024, so give me just a second and I'll get set up here in Bent Creek and I'll show you guys the surprise. Alright, so this is the surprise, guys. I bought a truck. I bought a 2007 Honda Ridgeline. This is the RT, so it's the base model. So it's nothing fancy. I traded my Kia for it, and I'm glad I did. I really like this thing so far. I've had it for about 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks, and it's a fantastic vehicle. This is the 2007, so it's first generation. This is a YK1, if you're into that kind of thing. More or less, I haven't done anything to it other than I added a hitch, because for some reason the first generation doesn't come with a hitch. And I also added a CarPlay stereo to it. Yeah, you can't really see that, but there's a CarPlay stereo there. So anyway, yeah, it came with these nice seat covers. It's super clean. It was owned by an old guy who had a home in Florida where he primarily lived, and then a second home up here. I kind of peeled this out of the way so I could show you guys, but didn't do a very good job. But, it's a Ridgeline, so the seats fold up. They go back down. Super cool. I have the cover in there for the dog with a bunch of junk right now. It had a tonneau cover on it, which I thought was cool. And it's a Ridgeline, so it does the regular tailgate, and then you can swing this open. And then I flip the tonneau up real quick. It's got the in-bed trunk, and I have a bunch of junk in there right now. You can clearly see I've made it my own. I've filled it with a bunch of junk already. But in all seriousness, this thing rocks. Ooh, swung that kind of hard. Super clean, super comfortable. It had really good service history. It had 60 service records on Carfax. Has 150,000 miles, but it was well taken care of. I knew what I was looking for in terms of all that. I had been thinking about buying another Honda Element, like the one I used to have, but this made more sense. I'll be able to toss motorcycles in the back and go for day adventures, or travel down to see Tyler, or if we want to do Windrock again, or meet somewhere in the middle. I'll be able to take my motorcycle home and ride with my father this year. We have a big adventure planned together. But that's it, guys. That's my surprise. I'm going to have a lot more videos of this coming. I'm going to try and do all my own maintenance to this, and I'm sure I'll do a couple silly upgrades in the future to it too. But that's the surprise, guys. That's what I've been up to. I bought a truck. I've just been cleaning it up, making it my own, making it what I want it to be, and I'm super stoked to use it this year. And most importantly, I'm stoked to have new opportunities for motorcycle adventures because of it. So stay tuned, guys. More coming soon. Peace.